Hey guys, so I'm going to give you a crash course on how to create your own AI UGC videos, which platform to use, how to source your B-rolls from TikTok, how to stitch it all together using CapCut, right? And pretty much all the foundations that you need to have to create your own AI UGC videos, right? So just a quick recap. So if you are in DTC or B2C, and if you ever dealt with UGC content creators, you know that that can cost quite a bit of money. So for example, here we have a article from ppc.io, and they're saying that a average price for a single UGC video sits at roughly $20. So let's say we run it up, it's 200 bucks. So it's a bit of a steep price, especially for people who are just starting off with Shopify, or maybe people who, are on a budget and, are camera shy and don't want to be the face of the brand just yet. So this could be a steep price, and all this can be resolved using AI UGCs, right? So we're going to be using something called Creatify, Creatify.ai, and it's essentially a platform to create AI models for UGC, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and essentially anything UGC related. And what I really like about Creatify that you have so many avatars to choose from, right? Just so many. You have a avatar for pet niche. It comes with a dog directly. You have more lifestyle ones, general ones. In the living room, bedroom. So this can be used for the beauty, for the makeup, right? Just maybe general vlogs if you are into like kind of a lifestyle vlogs, perhaps gym, right? So you will find an avatar for any niche out there, and guaranteed you will find the avatar that fits your business niche, right? So if that sounds good, guys, and you want to kind of learn how to put all these together, so let me go ahead and give you the complete crash course on AI UGCs. Let's go ahead and dive into it right away. So the first thing you need, obviously, you need a AI model itself. So let's first choose the AI model. So I'm thinking we gonna be doing something maybe in maybe beauty slash fashion niche. So kind of I'm feeling the direction today to go with that. So let's find an avatar that kind of can resonate with that audience. All right. So I'm gonna make it easier. I'm gonna use the filters, and let's say apparel and accessories, for example. Let's see if we have anything else, maybe health. Let's see what else. And I think that's about it, right? So apparel, accessories, and health. Okay, that should work. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with Destiny.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai.
Okay, cool. So I love the expressions again about the gestures, gives it a really good and dynamic feel to it. So I like this avatar. So the only thing I want to do though, I want to change the voice. But anyways, we'll cover the voice change once we have the actual script, right? So now I need to source the actual product I want to sort of promote. And for that, I'm going to be using TikTok to kind of find find the B-rolls for that. So I'm thinking maybe face cream. Okay, best face cream, face cream, 2025. Okay, let's check out what options we have. Purely for B-rolls. Okay, meaning I need a video that doesn't show the face, right, for privacy reasons. I think this could work because yeah, that's cool. Again, I'm just getting this for the purpose of demo and showing you how to do things. So I'm gonna pull this video. I'm gonna be using something called SS Take Down. Okay, this tool essentially lets you download TikTok videos by using a link. Click on download here. Okay, you just have to get through all these annoying ads. I'm gonna download without watermark. If you go with the watermark without watermark HD, you will need to watch more ads. Okay, I'm not down for that today and not tomorrow. So I'm just gonna get the one with the basic quality. So cool, we have our B-roll, that's awesome. So now we need to find this product right here. So this is a vitamin C from Dr. Rachel. Okay, so let's do that. Vitamin C, Dr. Rachel. Okay, I need essentially the description of this product. I think it's a serum. I don't need a serum. I need I need the cream. Okay. And it's this one, Walmart. Doesn't really matter. I just purely need a description. Okay, that's all I really need. Can I get it from Walmart? Let's go here. Okay, and I need a description. It's in French. Okay, because I'm in Montreal, so we have French and English. But I don't want this in French. Okay, I want to change actually to English. Okay, cool. So I have this. I'm gonna pull the description. Now I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and we're gonna basically create a script around this product. Okay. All right, so we got our script. What I asked is pretty simple. Basically, just create UGC script based on this product, max 10 seconds, because the B-roll was like 10 or 11 seconds. So to have like a safe buffer, I'm asking for 10 seconds. Again, then I asked like, can you remove the scenes and emojis because we're not actually generating the actual video. So here we have this one. It's literally like 2 sentences. That's perfect for an example and demo. Let me pull this here and bring it now to Creatify. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste the script in here. Well, or I mean, we can try actually using their own script writer. So 2 options: you can either use ChatGPT, or you can try using their script writer. Let me just pull the product description again. So there it is. The only thing I feel like this is definitely going to be over 10 seconds. Okay, but you should. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. That was pretty bad. It literally created it, and it sounds like a book. Okay, not what I'm looking for. Sorry. ChatGPT was better. Okay, so this is good enough. Again, we don't want to go overboard and make like super long videos. This is good enough. Let's bring it here. Let's check it out for the sound and voice because we'll need to play around and adjust that. I feel like
I wake up with brighter, softer skin thanks to this vitamin C night cream.
I feel like it doesn't fit the AI model. Let's.
Hello and welcome. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai. This is my voice and how I sound.
Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Creatify.ai. Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing
And how I sound.
So I feel
me to deliver your.
I feel like Jasmine kind of resonates with the character of the AI model. So I'm gonna choose Jasmine. Okay. Then I want to make it a little bit, well, 1%. I think that should be good because some voices sound like too slow. For stability, actually, I want it to be more variable. Clarity, I want it to be like around 90%. Okay, and we'll exaggerate the style a little bit more. So let's check it out. Let's see how that sounds. Okay, if that's what we're looking for.
I wake up with brighter, softer skin thanks to this vitamin C night
Nice.
cream. It hydrates, repairs, and leaves my skin glowing overnight.
I feel like I can add something here, like definitely a keeper. Okay, keeper. Yeah, not focusing really on the content, guys. I'm not really doing any crash course on the content itself. But if you want to know how to structure the content and the storytelling for AI UGCs, let me know down in the comments, and I can do a video on that as well separately, right? So for now, I'm just showing you the tools and foundations, how to use them and how to put everything together, okay? So let's give it a try right now.
Wake up with brighter, softer skin thanks to this vitamin C night cream. It hydrates, repairs, and leaves my skin glowing overnight. Definitely a keeper.
Cool, that's cool. So again, not really pushing the product itself, because on TikTok, the thing is when you're promoting any type of products, it shouldn't sound commercial. Okay, so if the video sounds like you're trying to sell something, people are just gonna like drop off immediately. So keeping it organic and simple and 10 seconds max, because really that's good for engagement. And you know, retention is gonna be pretty good on a 10-second video, right? So this is good. I'm okay with that. So this is good to go. How many? 8 seconds. Okay, it's not bad. 8 seconds is good. The only thing, I don't want the captions here, not really needed, right?
I wake up with brighter, softer skin thanks to this.
And also there's gonna be a lag for the lip sync, which is totally normal. It's gonna be almost invisible, or like you won't be able to feel it once we render out the video. So there's a lag before rendering. After rendering, lag is gone. Okay, so this is good. I just don't want captions because we're gonna add that in the CapCut. Okay, and now let's render out the video. Cool, we can render it out. Okay, guys, while it's rendering out, Creatify actually does offer a option where you can upload a picture of the product. For example, here you can see this model here, it's holding a bottle. So the bottle is not really real, it is all AI generated. The way it works, you upload a transparent background PNG or JPEG image with no, well, ideally PNG with no background. of the product, and then the AI models can hold in hands. They can move things around, right? So if you don't want to deal with the B-rolls and sourcing the stuff from TikTok or other sources, right? So you can just drop an image and have AI model with the product already in hands, and then you can make videos around that, right? So also a cool thing to kind of note, Creatify does offer a physical product to be uploaded and regenerated and then to be used with AI models, guys, okay? Cool, so the video is good to go. Let me download that. So I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, let's preview before we download anything.
I wake up with brighter, softer skin thanks to this vitamin C night cream.
Nice. It's actually really good. All right, so at the final stage, we're gonna bring everything to a CapCut. So we're gonna bring our B-roll that we downloaded from TikTok, and we're gonna bring the AI model that we just generated in Creatify AI, and we're gonna stitch everything together. And to save you some time, I kind of pre-made everything, right? So I'm gonna just kind of walk you through and explain you how I did it and why I did it, right? So I'll take you step by step, don't worry. So if you guys don't have CapCut, just go to CapCut.com, create an account. So I have a pro version, okay, because it has much more features and I'm using it frequently. It comes at $13 a month, I believe, in Canadian dollars. But you can also use the free version, okay? So free version still allows you to edit, but there's some limitations like captions, I believe, are part of pro version, and also AI tools as well. So, but still, you can edit and do a bunch of stuff even on the free version, right? So, once you are in CapCut, create new project and make sure to select 9:16. All right, because 9:16 essentially is the format for the TikTok, for the Reels, right? So if you go with something like 1:1, that would be closer to Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Okay, so we're not gonna be covering that format, so make sure that you select 9:16, right? So once you do that, you're gonna have this interface right here, and then you're gonna basically upload the files. Okay, so click upload file and bring all those files that you downloaded. For in our case, for example, it's gonna be B-roll, the AI model, and if you have any other assets, bring them in here, and we're gonna drag and drop everything onto the main timeline here. So this is timeline, right? So just take these videos and drag them like this right here, right? And so let me just kind of explain you how I structured the video. But before I do that, let me give you a quick demo here to kind of, you can see what we have and how that sounds and looks, all right?
I wake up with brighter, softer skin thanks to this vitamin C night cream.
That's pretty cool. Like it's simple, to the point, it's 8 seconds.
Definitely a keeper.
Right, so nothing crazy really happening here. Again, my point of this video wasn't really to give a crash course on the content itself, really just to teach you the tools, how to use them and how to put them together. So as you master this, you'll become better, and at some point you're going to be making really crazy AI UGC videos that will be almost indistinguishable from the real AI UGC. And yeah, it's possible. It's just really a bit of practice, a bit of playing around with things, with scripts, with the tone and content that you plug in. But once you master all of those, you're going to be making really, really good AI UGC videos. Okay, but if you really want to, just let me know down in the comments and comment a content, okay, and then I will basically create a separate video on how to actually properly create a content and script and, you know, market it in a really nice package. Okay, but for now we're just focusing on technical aspect and how to put it together and which tools to use. Okay, so let me give you a quick breakthrough of all the tracks and what's happening on the timeline here. All right, so the first one I have are basically the captions. Okay, captions are really easy to generate. You're just gonna go here, click on captions and generate. In my case, it's already done, so I can't really over generate. I will have to delete them, but just click generate. And if the audio input is clear English, it's gonna make it like on the spot without any mistakes, errors, and that's expected because it's all AI generated. So just go ahead with the auto version. And then if you wanna have a different style, click on the caption right here, right? And here you can choose different styles if you want to, okay? So I'm gonna stick with the white one because I feel like that kind of blends with the overall style here. Then I have the main AI video timeline here. I cut it up into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces because as you can see, the first part is kind of a solo, right? So we're kind of seeing the entire thing full screen.
Again, thanks to this vitamin.
And then we're switching to a actual product, okay? Since there were some captions in the original video, I had to crop it and zoom it in, right? So that's why that's kind of a workaround I found, right? I believe there's some AI tools that can remove captions, but again, we're not really focusing on that. It's not the focus. In your left case, you would probably order the sample yourself, or and make nice videos around it, and then put AI avatar on top, right? So that would be like the most professional, cleanest way to do that. But again, you're just learning really how to put everything together. What kind of content you're gonna use, that's entirely up to you, okay? I'm sure you're gonna find much better B-rolls on your own. So we have this part. Then we kind of switch up the avatar from the left to the right corner side, just to give it more of a dynamic feel, so it's not like static all the time. Because with especially TikTok ads, it's really important that the frame is changing every 2-3 seconds because of the very low attention span on TikTok, right? So audience on TikTok is like 18 to 24 mostly, and they have very low attention span because of how much social media they consume. So you want to make sure that you pack a lot of content in the short videos, and the frames are changing very frequently, okay? Ideally even below 2 seconds, but again, it's not really the core part of this video, right? So then we showing the product.
Skin glowing overnight. Definitely a key.
And then again, we are going back to the main character for the zoom out, or I mean for the outro, right? So then we have the product B-roll, which is also cut out into 4 parts. You're gonna follow the upper timeline with the avatar, and kind of the same thing. You can also add some, if you want like smoother, I would say, transitions. You can go to transitions, for example, here and choose something. The only thing I would really say, be careful, because if you add like bad transitions, it's just gonna cheap out the video, make it like really funny. But really, just to show you how that works, what we can do, let's see, what do we have? We'll just put this one as a reference. So we need to put this one and that one to kind of match them up. So if I play this again,
Thanks to this vitamin C night.
it's a little bit cheesy, you know what I mean? So maybe if you make it shorter
Thanks to this vitamin.
and stuff like that, it could work out. But in this case, not really gonna touch it, okay? So then we have the audio track. I feel like audio track is always a good idea to put. I always suggest to go with something soft and not too in your face. For example, like lo-fi. Lo-fi music kind of goes with everything. It's in the background. It doesn't really overlap with the vocals too much. So, right. So when you think about the sound, everything has its own frequency. So the background music should serve as a sort of think of it as a track bed, or basically a like a background. Think of it as like a background bedding in a sense, right, for the video, and then the vocals should be sitting on it nicely, so there shouldn't be too much overlap between the two audio tracks. And the best audio that kind of goes with that is usually lo-fi, because there's no vocals, right? So you don't want to put background music that has vocals, because then it will overlap with the voiceover, okay? So just like a really small crash course on audio mix, how it goes, right? So but that's about it, guys. It's super simple, straightforward. And then if you want to export, just click export. And I do suggest 1080p for the best quality, and then make sure it's 30 FPS, right? That's kind of the standard. And then MP4, and then export, okay? And it's gonna do its thing. It's gonna be, it's gonna take maybe a minute. Let's give it a shot. Cool, so it's good to go. Let's download that. Okay, let me pull this in.
I
And
wake
we
up with
should
brighter,
have it
softer
right
skin thanks
here.
to this vitamin C night cream. It hydrates, repairs, and leaves my skin glowing overnight. Definitely a keeper.
Nice. I mean, simple and clean, and really nothing crazy here. But now with this knowledge, you can take this and start making your own videos the way you want them. Okay, so you have all the tools and knowledge. So definitely go ahead and give it a try. And again, don't forget, there's going to be a download link for a PDF guide, which can be as your reference. I'm listing basically links and the tools and sort of kind of a summary of everything we've done here today. So just to make sure it's kind of like your help guide, just in case if you need some kind of reference. But again, if you run into any issues, leave a comment and I'm gonna help you out personally. Don't worry about it. And guys, if you do enjoy the content, make sure to like and subscribe, enable notifications so you get notified when the next video like this drops. And you guys already know, I'm gonna see you next time.